Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to create a project in SamRoot and pair your Root robot to the platform. To begin, on the left-hand side, you're going to press Create SamRoot. You will be redirected to the SamRoot platform, and here you'll find options such as creating new projects, getting started with Root, exploring different levels of coding challenges. You can learn more about these different sections in our Resource Hub. To start by building your own project, click the Add button. This will open the coding platform. When you enter the platform, you will see your workspace on the left-hand side, and you will see the digital simulator here on the left-hand side. This is your virtual Root robot that lets you test code before using the physical robot. We encourage you to model naming the projects after the lesson or activity that you're doing. This also models good organizational habits for you and your students. At the top of the screen, you'll also notice the play and the stop button. This allows you to test your system. At the bottom, you will see the different levels of coding. We have level 1, which is our picture-based coding, which is great for beginners. Next, we have level 2, which is block-based coding, where puzzle pieces fit together. Students start seeing words and commands. Level 3 is text-based coding in Python. Students can move back and forth between the levels as they grow in their confidence. To start building, drag and drop puzzle pieces into the workspace. If you make a mistake, you can drag the piece back down to delete it, or you can press the backspace arrow here. You also have some other options. You can zoom in on your workspace, or you can zoom out. This allows you to build and have room for the different systems. Once you have built your system, you can press play to test it in the simulator. You can see your Root robot begin to move based on what you have built. To reset the simulator, you can press the reset button below. You also can zoom in and zoom out as well in your simulator. Once your students are ready to try their system with a real Root robot, first, go ahead and grab your Root robot when you are ready to pair. Then, click the Bluetooth icon in the platform. Turn your Root robot on by pressing and holding the yellow button on top until it lights up. Back in the platform, you can select the robot that appears under Available Devices. Once paired, you can rename the robot for easy identification. To do that, click on the icon again, and you can press Rename. A great tip is to give robots unique names such as colors, numbers, or groups so students can easily find their own robot when connecting. After pairing, press play again and watch as the Root robot comes to life, following the code on the screen. When you're finished, press the back arrow or close the SamRoot robot. The robot will disconnect and automatically power off to save battery. Your projects also can be shared with others. To do this, you can simply click on the 3 dots underneath the project. From there, you can press Upload. You will see a 5-digit code where you can copy it or write it down to share. To share the code with others, then they can easily upload it onto their computer. To do that, they would press the upload icon here and type in that 5-digit code that you shared or copied. Once they do that, it would copy onto their own device. And that is how you create a project in SamRoot and pair your Root robot.